Hello guys, and welcome to the video. Today we are going to be unboxing DranBrave S6-60V. This is our first CX release made by Takara Tomy, and here we can see all the parts, the lock chip, the main blade, and the assist blade. And now let's get on to the back of the box. The first thing we see on the back of the box is the gimmick for DranBrave, which is downforce, and this basically gives it extra speed in battles, and I can't wait to see how it'll do in battle. Now let's move on to the blade, which is DranBrave, and this blade has the same amount of blades as Dran sword, which should make it more consistent. Next up we have the ratchet, which is 660, which is the first ratchet to ever have 6 sides, and I think this ratchet could be pretty good for barrage attack. For the last part we have the bit, which is the vortex bit, which is shaped like a twisted star, and on bays that are right spinning it should have pretty good speed. And since this release is a starter, it comes with this white and black winder launcher. Overall, I think this set is pretty good for getting a new CX release and a good launcher. Now let's get into the unboxing. For the first part we have the bit, which is Vortex, which is a very similar bit to the Cyclone bit from Cobalt Dragoon, but it is in an opposite direction. Next up we have the 660 ratchet, which comes in a very similar color to Unicorn Sting's 560, and it looks pretty round for burst resistance. And now onto the blade, which is DranBrave, which comes in a 3-bladed design with both its assist blade and its main blade. So now let's take it apart. The way to disassemble a CX blade is to twist the lock chip with either your fingers or the bit, and then you take the assist blade and the main blade apart. And for the assist blade we have Slash, which looks very similar to Dran sword in shape. And for the main blade we have Brave, which is a 3-bladed blade with stickers on the design, which I think is one of the main things that sets CX apart from other bays. And for the last part of the full blade we have the Dran lock chip, which looks very similar to the sword Dran sticker. To assemble a CX blade, you take the main blade and then the assist blade, line them up with each other, and then you're going to get the lock chip and then line it up with the hole in the middle of the blade. And then once you do, you just turn it with your fingers, and now the blade is all together. And next we're going to fully put the blade together and put it into a battle. Now that we have DranBrave all together, I can't wait to see how well its gimmick will work and if it's going to be a good blade to use or not. And for the launcher, we have the white winder that comes with DranBrave, and the main part of the launcher, which is a black color, with the hooks on the launcher being white. And for the first Beyblade that DranBrave will be going up against, we have Wand Wizard 570 Disc Ball, which is a stamina type combination that focuses on outlasting its opponents and also tanking all of their hits. So let's see how well DranBrave will do against it. For DranBrave's second opponent, we have Sword Phoenix 960 gear flat, which is an attack type combination that focuses on heavy hits and strong attacks on the extreme rail with its gear flat bit. And this is the third heaviest Beyblade in all of BeybladeX. For the last Beyblade that DranBrave will be going up against, we have Impact Drake 960 Low Rush, which is an attack type combination that has rubber on it for extra power in battle. So let's see how it'll perform against DranBrave. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think about DranBrave S6-60V. I think it's pretty good for being the first CX release, going undefeated in 2 of its matches. But if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.